Hi, I'm Sam.
Hey, I'm Joey.
Uh,
We're the Marshmallow team.
do you ever get hungry in lab? Are you too lazy to get your own food? Do you want an overly complex technological solution to a simple problem?
Luckily for you, we're introducing Marshmallow Launcher. Marshmallow Launcher is a system designed to deliver food safely and quickly over short distances.
Marshmallow Launcher uses a microphone array to detect sounds and a solenoid kicker to launch a marshmallow at the source of the sound.
Such a system would need to meet a number of different criteria. First and foremost, we need to be able to autonomously sense and localize the source of a clapping sound. We then need to be able to accurately launch a marshmallow to that position. We need the system to be able to automatically reload for multiple launches. And we need the system to be able to switch between a number of different control modes in order to support different games and activities. How are we going to do this? Well, it's a pretty simple process. First, we have a microphone array, 3 microphones that listen for a clapping sound. This sound source is then triangulated using geometry based on the timing that the sound wave hits all 3 microphones. The servo motor then aims the robot to the source of the sound, and then a solenoid kicker will launch the marshmallow with the exact amount of force required to land it at that position. After launching the marshmallow, we need to reload. The solenoid returns to its ready position, and then a new marshmallow is loaded into the launcher from the hopper. What are we going to need to build this? Well, in addition to the Arduino Uno that we have and some of the basic tools in our kit, we're going to need to order some parts. We have a 180-degree servo motor already in our possession, but we'll also need to order 3 microphones for our microphone array, 1 solenoid kicker to launch the marshmallow, 1 12-volt power supply, because our solenoid kicker will require more voltage and amperage than our Arduino is capable of outputting, and 1 MOSFET to serve as our power controls. How do we tell if it's a success? Well, first and foremost is the accuracy of the throw. Does our marshmallow land in a catchable area around the source of the sound? Probably around a 1-meter sphere is going to be good enough, but we'll see during testing. We also need our sound thresholding to be good. Our system needs to respond properly to our 2-clap setup, but it also needs to be able to block out other sounds. So our threshold for noise needs to be calibrated so that it doesn't go off when people talk or walk around the room. The device also needs to be able to reload and launch multiple marshmallows. This may require some mechanical design in our hopper, and we may need to incorporate other things like a servo motor for managing reloading. We then also need to evaluate gameplay. Our minimum viable product, we think, is a system that can launch marshmallows directly to one person clapping, but we would love to be able to implement a number of different modes and games with this basic setup. If our system can hit all of these metrics, we would consider it a success. That's all.